It is that time. That's right. The bed needs to come off. The gas tank needs to come out. And then we can finally start metalworking and the metalworking series, cutting out the floor, putting in a bunch of new stuff. Stay tuned for that. You guys will not want to miss the metalworking portion. That is going to be a lot of fun, and it's new for all of us. We have not done thin sheet metal floor pans and stuff, so I'm thinking maybe we'll buy a cheap plasma cutter off of eBay or something, do a review video, maybe do some testing on that. It'll definitely help us out when we're cutting out the old stuff. What you're going to see in a few seconds is my father trimming down the carriage bolts underneath. That way we can hopefully get a socket on them. Okay, so it turns out that the sockets will not fit on there. We can't fit an impact under there. So what we're gonna do now is, we're gonna weld the castle nut to the carriage bolt. That way we can put an impact on it and spin the thing off or snap it, either one. And to make it interesting, we're gonna do a weld off and see whose plug welds hold up better. Between this guy and that person there.
Round 1, fight.
Check out that Milwaukee impact. Ain't that something? Another. But it's free! It didn't break.
Good go.
Ah, my hair's on fire. Ah, it's hot. Okay, back to welding.
Oh, you totally. Yep, put the lamp on it. There you go. Oh, I felt it. Show that bad Milwaukee again. Oh, yeah.
Okay, we're losing daylight, but we got all of them out. So the bed could probably just, don't stop too hard.
Thanks to Century and Milwaukee, we made it happen.
Yup. None of the welds broke, so that was no fun. I guess we can all weld good enough to pull out some bolts. But all 8 of them are out. So this is probably the end of today, and I don't know what we're gonna do tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow though. So goodbye. Okay, it's next day. Like I said last night, we got all the bolts off. All there. 2 of them broke, snapped off. That's okay. The other one's unthreaded. They're wrong. Because they were, we trimmed off like another 4 inches of the thing. They were way too long. But that Milwaukee impact just pulled them right out. So later today, we're gonna pull the bumper off and then take the tailgate off, and then we're gonna take the box off. So I will see you later. Okay, what we're currently doing is unburying that gantry there. Now we can put it here, back my truck in. We'll lift up the whole body. We can just roll it over, set it on some sawhorses right here, pull the truck out, and then back to working on the truck. Okay, the gantry's been unburied. We have used it to help hoist up the back of the box, and that was allowed us to just pick up the front, wheel it back, and put it under a sawhorse. So this is positioned here, and it'll probably be here for a while, because it's you know, obviously it's rusty under there and the quarters are gone and stuff, but the front piece here isn't too bad. Like, it's not bad at all. It's pretty clean, and the insides are pretty clean, and the floor is pretty clean. So I don't know, if I can just find a new box for it, that'd be pretty cool, and that's what I'd plan on doing, is just trying to find a new box for it. But who knows. We're gonna end up sandblasting the entire frame on that thing and repainting it, so we'll probably do that before we begin metalworking on it and stuff. Like I said, stick around, that'll be cool to watch. It'll probably be a couple parts for that, because there's a bunch of stuff we're gonna put on there, so that'll make it real cool and not rotted. But yeah, like I said, the bed's off, so the gas tank's got to come out, the door's got to come off. Pretty much the whole front clip has got to come off, that way we can put the inner and outer rockers on correctly. Okay, it is end of day 2 for taking the bed off. It is off. It's free to go. It is ready to get gas tank pulled out and all that. First, I'm going to take like a chisel or something and just get the hard cord, like peeling and stuff off of this. And then we'll do a light dusting with the sandblaster. And then I'll shoot it black with some enamel, like rust paint stuff. Just for now. And then when that lift kit comes, it's got 4 shocks, 4 leaf springs, so all that'll be redone and brand new. I might get a new exhaust sometime. It had factory straight pipes on it because it has the mounts for them, so that's pretty cool. I might put that back on. I might put factory straight pipes all the way back on there if I feel like it, or if I can afford it. So yeah, it turned out pretty good with the gantry. So yeah, I guess this is the end of this video, and I will see you guys for the next video.
Look at that quality Century 250. Beats them Millers every time.
It was at this moment that he knew he f***ed up.
Just kidding.